become future stars. Chapter 3: Peripheral Devices. A peripheral is a device that helps us give work to the computer or get the result from it. There are 5 main types of computer peripheral devices: input devices, CPU, output devices, storage devices. InfoSol. Input and output devices allow the computer system to interact with the outside world by moving data into and out of the computer system. Let's read about these devices in detail. Input devices. Input devices help us enter data into the computer. This data can be letters, numbers, sounds, or pictures. Some examples of input devices: mouse helps us point and click the icon. Keyboard is used to type letters and numbers. Joystick is used to play games. Microphone is used to record sound. Barcode scanner helps us too. Central Processing Unit (CPU). A central processing unit (CPU) is also called a processor. It helps the computer do all its work. It takes input, processes it, and gives output. It is also called the brain of the computer. The CPU has 3 parts: ALU, Arithmetic Logic Unit; Control Unit; Memory or Storage Unit. Output devices. Output devices show us the result after the computer finishes its work. They help us see or hear the output. Some examples of output devices: monitor shows text and pictures. Printer prints the work on paper. InfoSol. Input and output devices are also called I/O devices. Storage devices. Storage devices in the computer are used to save and recover data in the computer when needed. There are many different types of storage devices that can be used to store data. IPO cycle. The computer helps us to get information from raw data. It follows the input process output (IPO) cycle. The computer uses input devices to get data. This data is given to the computer using a keyboard or a mouse. This data is called the input. The CPU changes the data into meaningful information. This is called the process. After that data is processed, the result is shown on the monitor. This data is called the output. Let's see an example. Playing a game. 1. Input. The player gives information to the computer using the keyboard. 2. Process. The CPU works on the input. The speed and the direction of the player's car is the process. 3. Output. The result of pressing the keys appears on the screen. The pictures, sounds, or movement of a car in the game are the output. Hardware. Hardware means all the physical parts of the computer that we can touch. These include the devices connected to the computer. The keyboard, monitor, CPU, and mouse are examples of hardware. Software. Software is a set of programs that helps the hardware to do a specific task. It helps the computer to work. Notepad, Paint, Tux Paint, and MS Word are examples of software. Reboot. There are 5 main computer peripherals: input devices, CPU, output devices, storage device, and hardware. Input devices help us to enter data and give commands to the computer. The CPU takes the input, processes it, and gives the output. Output devices show the result of the work done by the computer. There are also devices used to store data. Words roster. Recover, to get back. Interact, connect. Specific, exact. Like, share, and subscribe.